Are you gearing up to sell your home, but you want to know if you should start making repairs first? The condition of your home can drastically change how much money you make and how long it will take to make it. That's why today we're going to talk about how to determine what type of repairs you should do before selling your home. Hi, my name is Trenten Ward, and being a realtor here in the Dallas Metroplex, I deal with this situation a lot. So to truly understand which repairs you should do, let's begin talking about the two different types of repair requests and why they are important. The first level repair requests are called buyer requested repairs. These typically will happen during the option period. If you are in another state outside of Texas, this may be referred to as the due diligence period. Once you get your home in a contract, most buyers will want to have a professional home inspector come inspect your home. Once the inspection is done, the buyers will be provided with a detailed breakdown of everything wrong with the property. If the home buyer provides this report to you, don't be alarmed by the length of this document. The inspector's job is to bring up all issues, even the small ones, to the home buyer's attention so they can make an informed decision. As a general rule of thumb, you should be prepared for some requests to be made from the buyer after the report has been received, even if you've done every repair you think somebody would ask for. This is something to take into consideration before making a particular repair, because it might be something your specific buyer would ask for at this time, and it might not be. Let's say, for instance, you have a dripping faucet. This is something that's unlikely to deter someone from making an offer on your home, but it might come up later as a buyer request repair. Once the repair requests have been received, another round of negotiations can begin. During these negotiations, both parties will strive to come to an agreement on the condition of the home going forward. And this is when you may or may not have to address that leaky faucet. So the next level of repairs is referred to as lender requested repairs. These are going to be your most serious issues. Most lenders have certain home condition requirements that a property has to meet. If you don't make these repairs, certain people won't be able to obtain financing to purchase your home. Let's take FHA for an example. In order to obtain an FHA loan, the home will have to have a working oven in the house. If this is the only thing that's keeping your property from qualifying for an FHA loan, this will make this repair more than likely something that you should do before putting your home on the market. FHA loans are one of the most common loan programs that people use to buy homes. That means once you make this repair, you will open yourself up to a lot more potential buyers for your home. If you're planning to sell to investors, this won't be as big of an issue, because most investors are looking for homes that are in these conditions so they can make the repairs and earn a profit. One thing that you do want to be mindful of, though, is selling to these investors before putting your home on the market, because these are referred to as off-market deals, and there are a ton of companies built on this model. They will buy your house for cash and in any condition, which can sound great and easy. But the problem is that they will have to severely underpay you for your property so they can turn a profit after they make the repairs. Now, you can still sell your property to these investors. If you put your property on the market, they will have to compete for your home, which typically leaves you with more money in your pocket. The next topic we're going to discuss is what are the conditions of the other homes in the area. For instance, if you're trying to sell your home for $100,000 and just the carpet is in a bad condition, you'll probably still have a lot of people lined up to buy that house. But then on the other hand, if you're in a luxury market and selling your home to a high-end client, this can be a serious issue, because naturally people are going to look around for other homes in the area at that price point. And the better those homes are, the further down the list your home goes. And as you can imagine, this could affect the amount of time it takes to sell your home and how much you can sell it for. The next thing to consider would be getting your own home inspection done. If you're somebody that's out of touch with the current condition of your home, this might be a good option for you. Some homeowners will elect to have their own home inspection done so there aren't any surprises when they go on the contract. This can be a great way to avoid serious issues that may come up during your option period. Not all home inspections will be the same, but this can give you a good idea of what could come up if your buyer decides to do their own home inspection. Once you have this report, you can go over it with your realtor to discuss which items will give you the most bang for your buck. If your home goes back on the market because of repairs, you can expect some buyers and agents to proceed with caution. One of the last things a buyer will want to do is to back out of a contract and lose their option money because certain repairs won't be addressed. And that leads us to the last topic, which will be to get the opinion of your real estate agent, because this is going to be by far the easiest way to know which repairs you should do to accomplish your goals. They will be able to give you advice about the property conditions in the area, They will also be able to tell you how long homes have been sitting on the market and price suggestions based on selling the property as is or making several repairs. Okay, if you found any of this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and would like to discuss what you need to do before selling your property, feel free to reach out. My contact information will be down below in the description. Until next time, peace.